If you are a manual copper and tired of taking L's every single time a sneaker releases, you probably want to pay attention to this video, as this is probably one of the easiest ways to move from taking L's to taking them W's. Let's get straight into this video. I'm sure you guys are going to enjoy this one. So for this video, I wanted to explain to you the best way to cop sneakers, clothing, accessories, especially Supreme, all from just your phone. Addict is the fastest and most reliable iOS bot. They support many retailers, including Supreme, Kith, Bape, Fear of God, Yeezy Supply, and so much more. They actually support over 80 retailers, which is huge for an iOS bot, and this increases your chances of copying all of the hyped items and making good profit. Addict recently restocked, I think in August, and they instantly sold out super fast. So to make sure you have the highest chance of securing Addict, make sure you click the link in my description to be added to their list that notifies you the second that they restocked. Now obviously this is an iOS bot, so it's different from all those computer bots which have hidden fees and charges and all that. It's pretty simple. It just goes on your phone. Like, you know, we all have a phone, don't we? So I know that a lot of computer bots, they're super hard to use. Like, you really have to be an expert and know what you're doing to be able to execute it correctly and, you know, get all them tasks right. You gotta know the proxies and the keywords and all that. Those can get pretty difficult. Well, with Addict, they basically do all the hard work for you. They supply you with keywords, and it makes it super user-friendly to navigate with the app. Now I wanted to explain to you some features that Addict has to offer. First up, we got unlimited tasks, which means that you can create as many tasks as you wish to increase your chances of copying the item that you want. Addict always recommends creating between 5 to 10 tasks, and I agree, as with every sneaker bot, if you create like a heck ton of tasks, then that increases the chance of you getting banned on a sneaker drop. Next up, we got the restock mode. This allows the user to secure the item automatically whenever it restocks. You simply just leave your task running. The third feature, and a really smart one, is requested based. This is a super smart feature because even if the site goes down, Addict has your back, and the bot will pick up the items through the back end, which is high-tech stuff. I also wanted to mention that Addict frequently pushes out updates like every couple weeks to ensure their bot stays optimized and all the features are up to date. The last thing you want is to be using the sneaker bot on a drop and then it just crashes or something and it runs into a bug. This also ensures that you have the highest possible chances to increase those success rates. Also, once you purchase Addict, you have the bot for life. It's basically a one-time purchase fee. You have no hidden fees, no hidden charges, no hidden renewal fees whatsoever. You pay a one-time off fee and then you have the bot for life. Also, you have constant and frequent updates that they give out for free. You also get invited to Addict's Discord server where they discuss keywords for drops, like they give you timers to make sure you do not miss any of the drops. They give you tips and tricks, basically investment insights, everything you basically need to start reselling and earning those profits. It's basically just a cook group for free that comes with a bot, which is pretty insane. Now, I know that bots, they take so long to set up, you know, they might not be user-friendly and then they might take such a long time to get used to. But with Addict, this is an exception. Since it's an iOS bot, the user interface is super easy. You can just basically breeze through everything, and setting up tasks takes less than 30 seconds, which is pretty insane. There are plenty of setup guides in the app in case you need a little bit more help, and they also have a YouTube channel where they discuss live drops, basically the best tricks to set up your bot and optimize it perfectly to execute them tasks. You also have the option to purchase the bot through Sezzle, which means you split the $130 fee into blocks of 4 months. You still will receive the bot instantly even though you pay with Sezzle. This is a super huge opportunity for anybody who wants to start reselling or start maybe botting as well, but they maybe don't have the budget to buy one of those high-end computer bots or maybe not the knowledge. This is a great mid-range bot that you can use and it's very effective as well. You know what? If you don't trust my word, here's countless people that have succeeded in copying with this bot, especially with the new Supreme season they've been eating. They will be restocking really soon in September, so make sure you hit the link down in my description below to make sure you do not miss when Addict restocks. That basically wraps up this video. This answers all questions about, you know, what should be a good beginner bot, because this is super easy. It's basically just on your phone. As you grow, you can probably use the more computer bots or whatever you want, but this is a really good starting off bot. And yeah, this basically wraps up this video. Big shout out again to Addict for sponsoring this video. Go check them out. I'll leave all the links links that you need down in the description below. And yeah, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe down below, really does help a lot, and please remember to like and comment down below as well. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.